Welcome to Lily's Magical English Adventure. Today, Lily is going to teach us all about talking about our families in English. Are you ready for a fun-filled journey? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Lily, and today we're going to learn how to talk about our families in English. But guess what? We'll do it through a magical adventure. Let's start by meeting my family. First, let's meet my mom. This is my mom, and she loves to bake cookies. Can you say, Mom? Great job! Now, this is my dad. He loves to read books. Can you say, Dad? Awesome! Let's meet my little brother next. He's always playing with his toys. Can you say, Brother? Perfect! And this is my big sister. She loves to paint. Can you say, Sister? You're doing amazing! Oh, looks like my family and I have been transported to a magical forest. To get back home, we need to talk to the magical creatures and tell them about our families in English. Look, it's Mr. Owl. He wants to know about your family. Let's tell him. Repeat after me. I have a mom. Excellent. Now, I have a dad. Great. Let's tell him more. Next, we have to talk to Friendly Dragon. Can you say, I have a brother? Fantastic! And I have a sister? You're amazing! To get back home, we need to solve the magical riddle. Let's see. I have a who loves to bake cookies. Who could that be? Yes, my mom. I have a who loves to read books. That's right, my dad. We did it! We're back home, thanks to you. You've learned so much about talking about your family in English. Now, you can tell anyone about your mom, dad, brother, and sister.
Conclusion, recap, and practical usage in daily life conversation.
Hi again, friends. Before we say goodbye, let's quickly go over what we learned today and how we can use it in our daily lives. First, we learned some important words for talking about our families. Remember these words: Mom, Dad, Brother, and Sister. Let's say them together one more time. Ready? Mom, Dad, Brother, and Sister. Great job! Now, let's practice using these words in sentences. You can tell your friends about your family like this. I have a mom who loves to bake cookies. Or, I have a dad who loves to read books. Easy, right? Here's another example. I have a brother who likes to play with toys. And I have a sister who loves to paint. You can use these sentences to tell people all about your wonderful family. In your daily life, you can use what you've learned when you meet new friends. You can say, I have a sister, or I have a brother. This helps others learn about you and your family, and it's a great way to make new friends. Let's practice some questions too. If you want to ask someone about their family, you can say, do you have a brother? Or do you have a sister? This can start a fun conversation. Now you can practice at home with your family or friends. Ask them about their family and tell them about yours. It's a great way to use your new English skills every day. Thank you for joining me on this magical adventure and for learning about our families in English. Keep practicing and you'll become even better. Remember, learning is fun and magical. Remember to practice talking about your family in English. Until next time, keep smiling and learning. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more magical English adventures with Lily. You can also give your suggestions in the comment box.